Alright, so we're going to do some ginger and garlic veg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the ginger, use a spoon and just scrape all the skin off, and then we're going to slice it up into some slices. I'm going to line the bottom of the pan with a bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic, and some olive oil. And then we're going to put the veg on top, a very small amount of water on a medium heat, and that oil is going to saute a little bit with that ginger and garlic and put a nice aroma flavor right through all the veg. So nice flavor of the veg. Sometimes you can put some lemon zest in there as well, and the nice thing is when you put them on the very bottom with a little bit of oil, what's going to happen is it's going to fry up a little bit. So nice, and just give it a really nice flavor. This veg here is also nice afterwards to squeeze some lemon over it. It's quite nice as well. Right? So chopped up the garlic. I flattened them to take them out of the skin. I got my ginger. It's sliced thinly. I'm going to put it in the bottom of the pan. Just sprinkle around fairly evenly. Then put a little bit of olive oil in there and some chopped garlic. So it's about a teaspoon of olive oil. I have my 2-quart pot. I got 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to sprinkle that around. And then what we're going to do is put the veg. I'm going to toss my veg, a little bit of cracked sea salt and about another teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to toss that in the bowl and then put that into the pot. So give it a quick toss and right into the pot on a medium heat. Now I'm putting a very small amount of water, about half an ounce, just a little bit of liquid because the veg are a bit dry. Medium heat, open the vent, wait for the whistle. Right, when the whistle goes off, we're going to shut that vent, turn the stove right off, and serve the veg in the next minute. Now really nice and crunchy and got a great flavor. Right, so I'm just going to give them a bit of a toss in the pot before we serve them up. Mix some of the ingredients inside up, and that smells so delicious. And that's where we like to cook it at Chef Warren's house.